सेक्रेटरी साहब तालीम लजना रिपोर्ट और इजाज़ात।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Most respected Huzur, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We very humbly request Huzur to award the following members of Lajna Imamullah, United Kingdom, for achieving academic excellence in their studies. Shazia Zahid, for achieving 6 A stars and 7 A's at GCSE. Basma Ikram, 9 A stars and 3 A's at GCSEs. Zahida Dureshawar Anwar, 5 A stars and 6 A's at GCSEs. Maria Meena Mensa, 5 A stars, 5 A's and 2 distinctions at GCSE. Maliha Nasir, 7 A stars, 4 and 4 A's at GCSEs. Nida Tahir, 9 A stars and 3 A's at GCSE. Tehsina Ahmed Gondal, 8 A stars and 2 A's and a distinction in ICT at GCSE. Komal Nawaz, 5 A stars and 6 A's at GCSE. Zujaja Amir Mirza, 7 A stars and 4 A's at GCSE. Maham Tahir Dar, 6 A stars and 6 A's at GCSE. Zartasht Carmichael, 6 A stars, 5 A's and a merit in critical thinking at GCSE. Maryam Wajiha Khalil, 2 A stars and 2 A's at A-levels. Sarwar Zainab Mateen, 2 A stars, 2 A's and a B at A-levels. Rabia Ehsan, 1 B at A-levels, 2 distinctions and a double grade distinction in BTech Level 3 diploma. Laika Ahmed, 1 A star, 2 A's and 2 A's at A levels and 1 A star at AS level. Kinza Ahmed, 3 A stars at A levels and 1 A at AS level with 100% is in business studies. Sobia Ahmed, 1 A star and 3 A's at A level. Aruba Zafar, 3 A stars and 1 B at Scottish Advanced Higher and 4 A's at Scottish Higher level. Tahmina Razak, 1 A star, 1 B, 1 A and 1 B and a C at A levels. Sabiha Sarwat Mughal, a first-class honours and second position in Masters in Chemistry from Cardiff University. Maria Qureshi, MSc in Research Methods in Psychology with distinction from University College London. Fauzia Idrisu Kore is not able to attend, but she achieved an MBA in International Oil and Gas Management and a merit in Policy and a merit from University of Dundee. Alia Deen, Bachelors of Arts, First Class Honours in Religion in the Contemporary World from King's College, London. Huzur, we now have candidates from Bangladesh and Pakistan who are here to receive their awards for academic achievements. Atyatus Sabur, first position in Masters in Computer Studies from Bahauddin Zakaria University, Pakistan. Dr. Atiya Kaleem is not present here, so her sister, Dr. Amtul Hay, will collect her award for MRCP in Pediatrics. Rifat Jahan Khalid, second position MBBS from Bolan Medical College, Pakistan. Mashal Rahman Kesrani, first position in Masters of Arts, Social Work from Punjab University. Salma Sana, second position in BSc Honours in Microbiology and Molecular Genetics from Punjab University. Fakhra Namal, 3 A stars and 6 A's at GCE O levels. Sara Halim, second position in Islamia from the Islamia University. Saleha Bilal, first position in MSc Psychology from Government College University, Lahore. Seher Mahmood Bajwa, first position in MSc Sociology, Government College University. Misbah Haider, Misbah Haider, 3 A's and an A grade at A levels. Jazakallah Huzur.